Had a couple people ask me about the body of my 74 Dodge Dart Sport. A lot of people have never seen it. So it's in the body shop right now. Getting a lot of good stuff done. My uncle's working on this for me. If you need somebody to do any of your body work for you, you know, something you don't want to pay $2,000 to get a car painted or something, he's your guy. Okay, so glad you got the top. Had some dents in it. Got his first coat of primer on. I went ahead and sandblasted all the way around that channel before I brought it in, just to be sure it was good and clean. No rust really. The car's been painted, I think, I would guess 10 or 15 years ago. Like I say, he hadn't even got down here yet. There's some rust there. All that'll be ground out, replaced. But it had some filler when it started its life. But you kind of see here, got the dent circled. So this is my grandpa's old shop, but my uncle learned everything from him. I learned a little bit, but here's the car. Just kind of check it out. It's going to look really good when it's done. It's going to be some kind of light blue metallic. I hadn't decided yet. Kind of on the fence about it. But so I was going to share with you a quick and easy way. Like I said, I mentioned my grandpa used to be the main body man of the world. I would say he was probably the best in Arkansas. Well, it's hard to say that. I would say he was definitely as good as anyone else in Arkansas. But he showed me, like on a car like this, you can kind of look down the car. It looks pretty straight. You know, for the most part, it's not largely dented up or whatever, but he said just run your hand up and down the car. That's what he used to have us do. Sorry. Run your hand up and down the car, see if you can feel any dents. And then take a black marker and circle those dents. So that's what you can see over here. That spot circled. But if you look at it, you just really can't see it even. Here's the trick. Take the rag, put it in your hand like that. Now wipe over it. Just having that amount of friction, that small, just having the rag between your hand, you can feel any imperfection in the body. It's weird. That magnifies it somehow. Try it out, see what you think.